Hi, this is The Power of Three, The Three Branches of Government by Guerrero. This is for second grade and should be one class period. The United States formed a strong government when they became a country more than 200 years ago. Students will first explore which shape is the strongest, and then will make connections to our three branches of government, forming a strong government to ensure our country is one of the strongest in the world. The purpose of this lesson is students will determine the strongest shape, and then we'll build a model to help them remember the three branches of government. Materials used: you will need a computer with internet access and an LCD projection device. You need BRADs, background information and video links, which are provided in this lesson, cardstock, and triangle pieces templates, which is the student document, as well as the assessment. The objectives of this lesson: the students will be able to identify and build the strongest shape. They will name the three branches of government, and they will discuss the three branches of government as a strong governmental structure. Before class begins, you will want to build some samples. The shapes that you'll want to build are a few different random shapes. Here's a square, a rectangle, pentagon, triangle. You can build other shapes if you so choose, but these are for students to manipulate. You'll also want to build two, and these are using the student documents, you'll want to build a sample of both the Arizona government and the federal government triangles so that you have those during the lesson. In groups, students will explore these various shapes. If you look at these shapes, they will explore and look to see which shape is the strongest, which shape holds its shape and could be supportive, the strongest. If you look at the square or rectangle, when they manipulate it, it doesn't hold the angles. It doesn't hold the shape. You can turn it into a diamond. You can collapse it. Even the pentagon, when you start moving it around, it doesn't hold its shape. As students are exploring these, they will find that the triangle cannot be manipulated. It remains a triangle no matter what they do. This triangle is the strongest shape and does not collapse like four-shaped figures. Many structures like bridges and large buildings use triangles because they can hold more weight and do not collapse. Tell the students that today they will be learning about our government and the strong structure of our founding fathers set up so that we would be a strong country, even today. Right now, you would show the students No More Kings, a video clip that shows about our government and the history of our government, and have the students discuss why we don't just have one president, like the king, queen, or a president, run everything. Here's where you're going to introduce the three branches of government using the terms: the executive branch, the president carries out the laws; the legislative branch is where the Congress makes the laws; and the judicial branch is where the Supreme Court decides what the laws mean. You will now have the students watch the U.S. Government Kids Edition PowerPoint video to learn about the three branches. After the videos and discussion on a powerful government based on three branches of government, have students cut up their national government triangle pieces. You will get pieces like this. Let me move these aside. You'll get pieces, a document like this, and you'll give students these. I would photocopy these on cardstock so that the students can manipulate them easier. Students will then build their own triangle. If you notice, you just hole punch and put brads in the corners for them to build their triangle. Here, there's notes that says the executive branch is where the president oversees the laws. The legislative branch is the Congress that makes the laws, and the judicial branch is the Supreme Court decides what the laws mean. As the students are reading the different judicial branches, on the back side you'll want them to write notes about how they can help remember what those are. So looking at my sample, you might have them draw pictures, write notes, draw illustrations, cut up pieces of paper to help them remember what the three branches are. So it's a note-taking technique. Then you'll have them assemble them into a triangle, the strong shape that they already explored earlier. Then you'll show the students the state government triangle, which you set up ahead of time. And you'll show that our state government also wanted a strong government, so they made it three branches as well. There's the Arizona executive branch, where the governor oversees the laws. There's the Arizona legislative branch, where the Arizona state legislature makes the state laws. And then there's the Arizona judicial branch, where the Arizona courts, including the Arizona Supreme Court, make sure we follow the laws. Have students share out in pairs, small groups, or whole class the three branches of government using their notes they took on the back side of their triangles. The assessment will include information covered in this lesson. You will see it ask questions about the different branches of government. It'll ask questions about what the strongest shape is and why we chose to have three branches of government. Some extensions you could do with this lesson is students can continue to research more information about the three branches of government. Students can watch the Three Branches Smart Song Rap. That link is included in this lesson. And that's a rap that some college students put together to learn the three branches, and the children can learn this rap and or make their own. Students can discuss three key people who help them become strong students, student, teacher, parent, and build a strong learning triangle that supports them in school. Or you can further explore the idea of triangles being a strong shape and have the students build a toothpick or popsicle bridge using triangles. Some sources you will find in this lesson are included. Those include Schoolhouse Rock, the U.S. Government Kids video, and Three Branches Rap. Thank you.